Hello dear kids and lovely parents, glowing star. Welcome to Kids Kahani, where magical stories, brave heroes, and beautiful lessons come to life. Today's story is about three princesses, their friendship, and the power of working together. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful fairy tale sparkles. Let's begin. Crown the three princesses in the light of unity. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom surrounded by green forests and shining lakes, there lived three princess sisters in a grand palace. Though they were sisters, each princess was different and special in her own way. The eldest sister was Princess Alina. She was wise and thoughtful. Alina loved reading books and solving problems. She believed that every difficulty had a solution if one used the mind calmly. The second sister was Princess Mira. She was brave and strong. Mira loved adventure, horse riding, and protecting others. She believed that courage could overcome fear. The youngest sister was Princess Lila. She was gentle and kind. Lila loved helping people, caring for animals, and spreading happiness. She believed that love could heal anything. One day, a strange darkness slowly began to cover the kingdom. The flowers stopped blooming, the river lost its sparkle, and the people became worried and sad. The king called the royal council, and an old scroll was brought forward. It said, "When the kingdom loses its light, only three hearts united can bring it back." The three princesses looked at each other and knew what they had to do. They decided to go on a journey together to save their kingdom. As they traveled through the forest, they faced many challenges. A thick fog blocked their path. Princess Mira wanted to rush forward, but Princess Alina stopped her and carefully studied the surroundings. Using her wisdom, she found a safe way through. Later, they came across injured animals trapped by fallen trees. Princess Lila gently helped them, showing kindness and care. As she did, the forest seemed to breathe again. Finally, they reached a dark mountain where the source of the darkness lived, a lonely shadow spirit created by fear, anger, and selfishness. Princess Mira stepped forward with courage, but the shadow grew stronger. Princess Alina tried to reason, but the shadow did not listen. Then Princess Lila stepped ahead with kindness and spoke softly. Together, the three princesses joined hands. Wisdom guided them. Courage protected them. Kindness healed the darkness. A bright light burst from their united hearts, and the shadow slowly disappeared. The sky cleared, the river sparkled again, and life returned to the kingdom. The sisters returned home as heroes, not because they were princesses, but because they worked together. From that day on, the kingdom lived in peace, and the people remembered that true strength comes from unity, kindness, and courage. And that brings us to the end of today's beautiful story, Crescent Moon. We hope you enjoyed this magical tale and learned an important lesson. Remember kids, when wisdom, courage, and kindness come together, anything is possible. Sparkling heart. If you like this story, thumbs up, like the video, pushpin, subscribe to Kids Kahani, bell and press the bell icon for more fun and moral stories.